According to the source and final state, coal gangue can be divided into 3 categories: excavation gangue, coal preparation gangue, and natural gangue. In the process of coal gangue ball press installation, pipelines should be laid in strict accordance with electrical standards, and strong current and weak current signal lines should be isolated and applied to prevent interference. If the coal gangue ball press equipment is in the outdoor, open environment, independent external lightning protection method should be adopted, and the equipment itself should also adhere to outstanding grounding, prevent the accumulation of static electricity on the ball press equipment. When installing, the power cable, communication cable, and video cable should be correctly connected, and the connection should be carefully referred to the requirements stated by the device to recognize the communication method and the corresponding pins. Under normal circumstances, the equipment should be installed in the later stage of construction in order to prevent a large amount of dust on the construction site from invading the ball pressing equipment, affecting the use effect and life of coal gangue ball press.